Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Velo for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in a genuinely significant manner. Velo's EMA10 truly shows in every way that really matters, descending pattern in an unobtrusive way. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which by and large is very huge. 30 October 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally clarified pressing issues, facts, what sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for Velo, in every practical sense. Is Velo a kind of wise interest in a significant manner? Velo support and opposition levels and so on in an essentially huge manner. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247, which in every practical sense shows that Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows an exceptionally descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $33,863,355,643, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in a very significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions truly show that the market by and large is going in a very descending bearing for commonly momentary in an especially huge manner. As of now, a truly broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially significant manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense, all the more especially dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially further appearance, how Velo's EMA10, for the most part, shows an especially descending pattern, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that help most certainly is a level at which purchasers essentially become considerably more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Kind of additional appearance how Velo's EMA10 truly shows an especially descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo basically is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Which in a real sense shows that help most certainly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more exceptionally dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how Velo's EMA10, by and large shows a kind of descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. However, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in every way that really matters, last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with an in every practical sense, all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Velo Value Examination. Velo Cost Investigation for 30 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time period essentially made sense of underneath, so Velo sort of has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in a quite enormous manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Velo. Exhibiting that the complete exchanging volume basically remains at $33,863,355,643 in every practical sense, significant way. The genuinely relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Velo coin is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 30, exhibiting how following basically are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which basically shows that help in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of additional in every way that really matters, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Certainly further appearance how Velo's EMA10 essentially shows a very descending pattern, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving especially normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, sort of is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment in a real sense, sell commonly signal as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath all things considered, signal line which really implies, generally bears essentially are overwhelming on the lookout, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Velo's Williams %R marker truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and genuinely momentary pattern, especially inversion basically is conceivable, further showing how Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows in every way that really matters, descending pattern, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, showing how Velo really has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which certainly is genuinely critical. Velo especially is moving in commonly descending heading as in a real sense bears effectively by and large, take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0.004, which essentially shows that following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo really is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which in a real sense shows that help all things considered is a level at which purchasers truly become most certainly additional dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Especially further appearance how Velo's